your prepaid meter is showing reject, token reject. Some meters are showing invalid token, while some are saying failed, token failed whenever you recharge your token. In this video, I am going to discuss 7 common reasons why your prepaid meter keep rejecting token whenever you are recharging token. It's frustrating that you step out to buy token, all of a sudden you load it, you punch your UIU, and keep rejecting your token. It's annoying, and this can be embarrassing, especially when your neighbors are using power and you cannot use power. In this video, I'm going to provide 7 common reasons why your prepaid meter keep rejecting token, and I'm going to provide permanent solution to all of them. Welcome to UIU Electric. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be among the first to receive my next video. In this channel, I discuss electrical maintenance and electrical repairs. So number 1 reason why your prepaid meter keep rejecting token is because of your meter number, wrong meter number that you used to vend the card. The token you are using, you are punching. Remember, your vendor asks you should provide your prepaid meter number so that they can use the number to generate token for you. Is it that you present wrong number or you actually present right number, but the vendor punch wrong number into his system, and therefore whatever token generated will be wrong, will not be compatible with your prepaid meter. Maybe when they're supposed to write 4, they write 5. When they're supposed to put 0, they put 8. 0 and 8 look alike. So before you know it, there's no amount of punching from now to tomorrow, it will not enter. So what is the solution? Immediately look at the SMS that they sent to you when you were vending the token, or perhaps the receipt they gave you. Check it very well and check the meter number. Check it very well and check the meter number, the number they used to vend the card for you. Check the number. Once you check the number, I notice that the number is wrong. My brother, Alele, call the vendor immediately. Their number is usually there. Call the vendor immediately, or perhaps you call the disco servicing your environment, servicing the BU, servicing your area. Call them and lay your report. And I tell you, they're going to help you out. It's either you call the vendor that vend the token, or you call the disco and report immediately, and this will be rectified. So number 2, why your meter keep rejecting token is because of wrong token entered. If you enter wrong token number, maybe we're supposed to write 24, you write 22, and you know the number can be very long. So take your time, type slowly. So once you run, instead of you to punch the correct number because you want to see power on time, or perhaps the place is very dark, you punch the wrong code, it will not enter. It's not going to enter. So what is going to be the solution? The first solution is type the number slowly. Take your time to type the number slowly. Ensure you double check the number you press. After you punch your UIU, you punch all the numbers on the UIU. Verify, take your time to verify, double check what you punched, what you press on the UIU. Check the screen, double check before you press enter. If possible, copy directly, instead of you to memorize it, copy directly from the SMS or from the receipts given to you. Copy directly and copy one after and the other. I tell you, it's going to enter if other issues, other errors are not there. Number 3 is because the token might have been taken, as in the token already been used by the meter. Maybe as you are punching it, the meter has already accepted it, but You are not aware. And you keep punching, you keep repeating it. If that is the situation, the prepaid meter is not going to accept the token anymore. Because one thing about those tokens is they are one time use only. Once you use it once, that is all. You cannot use it again, and no one else can use it again. It used to happen, you punch, it will enter silently, you don't even know that it has taken it. So always check your account balance. And should in case you check your account balance and yet you can't find the money there and it's not taking it, immediately call the vendor where you purchase the card, or you call your disco servicing your area for permanent solution. And number 4 reasons why your meter number keep rejecting token. It may be that the meter require TID or key change update. The meter may have some update, because our prepaid meter is like Android phone that require an update over time. If you be using the prepaid meter for a very long time, before you know it, it is possible that the prepaid meter require an update. And once prepaid meter enter an update or require an update, there's nothing you can punch, there's nothing you can do, it will not take it, because the lifespan of the software of the meter has expired. And so you need to upgrade it, you need to update it, so to speak. So you might not be able to, you might not have a KCT, you might not have KCT that used to run the package, but at the junction, what do you need to do? Because if you buy 1 million naira token, I tell you for free, it will not enter. It will not enter. So what you need to do is to contact your electricity distribution company, your disco. So contact them and tell them what you are facing. And I tell you, they're going to come over to your house and come with token. So ask whether your meter require TID or key change tokens. Then let them advise you. And once they advise you, I tell you, this will be resolved. But don't forget, the meter may require an update. And once your meter require an update, there's no amount of unit you want to buy, it will not enter. Additional solution: once you have your update token, maybe your provider, your disco provide you your update token, what you just need to do basically is to enter the update token first. Once you enter the update token first, then thereafter you can now enter your token, your real token, your energy token, which is electricity token. So remember, I said the update token, you enter that one first, let the meter update to like brand new one, brand new software. Then you now load your token, your energy token, then it will enter. By so doing, you have solved the problem. Number 5, meter has not been properly commissioned or perhaps activated. A newly installed prepaid meter may not have been fully activated on the utility system. Until commissioning is complete, the meter may reject purchase tokens. There's no amount of tokens you want to punch, it will keep rejecting the token. And how do you fix it? The best thing to do is to contact your disco. Roadside electrician cannot assist you in this regard, but your disco, I keep hammering this. So you contact your disco. It's only your disco that can help you out. Then ask them to confirm that your meter has been commissioned and your meter is activated. Ask them, let them confirm from their system. So by so doing, you'll be able to resolve the problem and your meter will accept your next token. So number 6, why your prepaid meter keep rejecting token every time is because of lack of communication between the meter and the UIU. There are two types of meter. There are some meter that are compact. We have compact meter and we have split meter. Now, compact prepaid meter, you will see that the screen, both the screen and the button and everything is in one package. Everything is, as in, you will see the meter, the button where you can punch and recharge the meter is on top of the meter. The screen where you can check what is going on the meter is also on top of the meter. That meter is what they call compact meter. Yeah, compact meter. Everything is together. That's where the UIU is. UIU and the meter, they are together. That is number 1. Number 2, we also have split meter. That split meter have separate prepaid meter, and also have UIU. So UIU is separate, meter is separate. Communication problem between the UIU and the meter. I'm talking about split meter, not compact meter. UIU, user interface unit. So this interface unit might not see the prepaid meter, and you are holding the UIU, you are punching the UIU, and you say your token is not going, it's not accepting it. It will not accept it because communication has not been established between the UIU and the prepaid meter. And so whatever you load, if you like, load from now to tomorrow, it will not enter. And how will you know that there's communication problem, lack of communication between the UIU and the meter? You will see communication fail on the UIU. You will see communication fail. Then sometimes you see no link. Some meter will show you no link. There's some UIU will show you no link. Some will even tell you CIU not connected. CIU not connected. Remember, some are calling it CIU. It's also correct. But the standard industrial name is UIU. UIU, user interface unit. While the other one CIU, customer interface unit. But both are correct. But the standard name of this device is UIU. If you meet yourself in this kind of situation, how do we solve it? What is the permanent solution? Remember, we say communication has not been established. The UIU is not seeing the meter, and the UIU must be connected to the meter so that whatever you recharge on the UIU can be transferred to the meter. So how do you solve this problem? Plug the UIU close to that meter. Plug it to any socket. And wait until communication is established. So you wait. The meter will be on, and the meter will be there on, and the UIU will also be there on. You wait for a few minutes, so communication will be restored. So after a few minutes, you can decide to restart the UIU. You can decide to off it and on it back, or you remove the battery, or you remove the battery and insert the battery back. So the meter and the UIU will definitely see the meter. And if the problem still persists, my brother, contact your disco and report to them. I'm very sure they have permanent solution for this. That is point number 6. The last reasons why your prepaid meter keep rejecting token is because of the faulty meter. So either faulty meter or system error, but it could be one of them. So if your system is faulty, that is the prepaid meter is faulty, so whatever token you try to load, sometimes it will be sending the token back. So it will not accept the token. So How do you know, to be specific, that your prepaid meter is faulty? So the meter will be rejecting every token you put on it. Every token you put on it, it will reject it. So then the screen, the display, sometimes it will freeze. So the display will freeze sometimes. It will just display only one. Once you meet yourself in this condition, know that the meter is faulty or there's a system error. Then error message will also be flashing you. As you are loading it, after you punch the numbers, you press enter, you see error message. Yeah, you see error message keep appearing. So meaning the meter is faulty or there's a system error. Then if your meter is faulty, then you have a button problem as well. Sometimes when you are pressing 2 and 0, to be specific, 2 and 0, you press these two numbers, they are the first to spoil on top of the UIU, 2 and 0. So by the time you press your 2 might not respond. You go back and press your 0 might not respond. So 0 might not respond. So once you meet yourself in this kind of situation, what is the permanent solution? Don't try to fix it yourself. I don't call anyone to fix it for you, but rather call your disco, the distribution company around you, to come and either inspect it or call for replacement. So they may inspect it, they may be able to repair it. Either they repair it or they replace it for you. So that is going to be the permanent solution. These are 7 main common reasons why your prepaid meter keep rejecting token. Thank you for watching the video. 7 common reasons why your prepaid meter keep rejecting token. Thank you very much. So with these few reminders or with these few points, you should be able to fix all problems regarding token rejection when you are recharging your prepaid meter. Thank you very much for watching the video. Like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. Be among the first to get my next video.